Hey everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video is a surprise on changing the water filter on the Whirlpool fridge. Before you get started, please hit the subscribe button, bell icon when you be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, so let's get started here. First of all, the video is on the side-by-side fridge which I have right now, and it's a very basic fridge. You notice the water filtration is on the lower left over there, you can see from the video. So that's the one we're going to talk about. So the first thing you probably need to do before changing the filter is to purchase a new one, and this is the one that is recommended on the unit, certified to reduce 28 contaminants. Is label number 1. So that's the thing you need to know. It lasts about 6 months. 28 contaminants are filtered out. Lead is one of the main items as well, and you can use it for different models as well, so maybe have similar components. I'm not going to go in detail on the filter. Make sure you purchase a OEM one if you want these contaminants to be removed, and it's pretty expensive overall, as I soon discovered. So it's not something that's really inexpensive. There's an arrow that's like purple on the bottom, probably noticed that, and you can use it with a lot of different ones that fits the build. I guess this one's a side by side, the other ones as well too. Decline in contaminants when you reach 200 gallons. Top freezer, or you can do bottom freezer. It tells you a different location where this unit is at. And where can you find this item? I'll link it in the description. Plus you can buy it from Lowe's and Home Depot, of course. Okay, so get started. Lower left is where the unit is. I found actually it's easier to access the unit by opening the door, but then again, different people have different methods how to access it. So I'm gonna open the door in the fridge right now, so I can access it better, so it won't be in my way. This is a very simple filter to change overall. And the other thing, once you change that, you need to filter indicator reset. So you need to press the switch 5 times in 10 seconds to reset the filter. The indicator will turn green. But right now it's green already. If it's a yellow, it means to order a filter. Red means replace. So I would have a green one already. It's green, so I'm not gonna really reset it, because that's gonna mess up the time we really need to change it out. I just want to mention that. So that's the process overall, and this is a side-by-side fridge, and that's how it looks like inside as well too. So to basically take it out, all you need to do is pull on the tab. So you pull on the tab on the right side and just be gentle with it. So you don't want to do blunt force, right? So you just pull this and the filter comes out. It retrieves it out, okay? And there is going to be some water droplets that come out, as you can see over here, and it got over the floor. Notice the red arrow over there. So if you were to put it back in, get a new one, then that's all you need to do. And simple as that. So you can try this one more time. Pull it out like this, and you notice the arrow is pointing to the left, right? There's a notch that catches it when you close the cover, right? So the arrow is the pink arrow or red arrow, you would say. So it's going to be in this orientation over here. So I'm just going to make sure that the orientation is correct. Otherwise, this thing won't go in. You're going to have a hard time going in as well too. And the arrow is pointing to the left, just like that. Here's more info on the filter as well too, if you're interested. I posted in the description, so you don't have to worry about it. It's good for 200 gallons, and after 200 gallons, this thing degrades. That's what it says. And it has the number 1. So it's a very easy filter to change. And you probably want to use this filter no more than 200. It probably is going to warn you and when to change. It's like a timer, I guess. To put it in, just make sure you align with that. Push the filter and the cap. So simple as that, just to change the filter. Okay, the other thing you probably notice, it does have water droplets and stuff like that, so that's unavoidable. And you probably could put a towel or cloth under it, so it's gonna happen. Then the next thing you need to do is to reset it. So since mine is already green, I don't want to mess up when I need to change it. So I'm not going to reset it, but I'm going to show you. So there's a water filter status, which is green. green is good, yellow is you need to order the filter, red means replace. So chances are when it's yellow is around the time that you're going to have to replace it. So the filter indicator reset, you press it 5 times in 10 seconds to reset the filter indicator to green. So if it's red, for example, right? And you actually could change it when it's yellow as well too. But the thing is, I wouldn't suggest you really change it then, because you'd be wasting your money if you change it too early. So, it's a good idea to change it when it's red. Unless you see the water is a little bit dirty, then you want to change it, when it's yellow. But my suggestion, just change it when it's red. Have a spare one, as needed. So it's very easy to do. And, chances are maybe every 6 months or so you do it. It's not going to happen not every month or every quarter or something like that. Then again, it depends on your water usage. If you use a lot of water, then you're going to change it more often. So that's just the thing. The other thing I wanted to point out that's quite important, I like to flush the filter when I change the filter. And if I were to change the filter, I would hit the water button over there, and that's right here, and get a pitcher or something. Then, just go through 2 gallons of water just to be sure, just in case the water is going to be dirty from the filter from the carbon. So the filter has carbon to do the filtration. So you don't want to start drinking those things when it's pretty dirty, right? So that's the thing I suggest. It's up to you if you want to do that. And there's another type of filter also under the fridge, and that one you twist. So this one's not the one you twist. The one you twist is a different model. Mine's just pull out and push in. So that's the model I have right here. So that's all you need to do. And yes, the filter is quite expensive. I'll link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one. I'm sure there are clones out there, but I'm not sure that's going to be as great as the original one. So hope this one helps you out, save you some money, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Have a good one. Bye.